Ayurvedic medicine for cough with phlegm, productive cough. Ginger is a widely used herb in Ayurvedic medicine. Modern research trusted source has found that ginger contains several active compounds that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. The first study trusted source examining ginger's potential benefits for coughing and respiratory infections in people was published in 2013. In the study, researchers looked at the effect of ginger on isolated human throat smooth muscle cells. The researchers found that active ingredients in ginger, 6-gingerol, 8-gingerol, and 6-shogiol, may have the potential to relax the muscles in your throat. More research is needed to see if ginger can improve coughing caused by the common cold or flu. You can make ginger tea by adding about 30 grams of ginger slices to hot water and letting it steep for at least 5 minutes. Licorice root contains anti-inflammatory compounds. The participants either gargled 0.5 grams of licorice extract or 5 grams of sugar diluted in 30 milliliters of water. The researchers found that the number of post-operative sore throats was significantly reduced after gargling with licorice.